Good morning. For the present project, we are going to show you when, where, how, and with what instrument we use to measure the quality of the air. First of all, we made the measurements at the 7th Avenue at the entrance of the University Bosque. From the days 12 to 18 of May, for this part we have to stay 2 hours in this place and every 10 minutes take the data of the dust sensor that we made, that was an Arduino sensor, in which with help of the computer and the application they throw us the data to analyze and have an idea of the quality of the air. The dust sensor was made to capture only PM10 particles. Thank you.